I'll be doing number 9 from chapter 5. So two forces F1 and F2 act on a 5 kilogram object. Taking F1 equals 20 newtons and F2 equals 15 newtons, find the accelerations in A and B of figure P5.9. So these are the two figures and I just redrew them on my paper. So in the first one I found the resultant force by using the givens that they gave in the problem, and I got 20I plus 15J newtons. And for the second one, since there's an x component and a y component in F2, I drew it separately, and then I solved for them separately, with the x component being 15 cosine 60 degrees and the y component being 15 sine 60 degrees. I added those components with the F1 force, but since there's no y component in F1, it was just this is the y component. And so I solved for it, and I got 27I plus 13J newtons. So for part A, I solved for the acceleration using F equals ma, and then I ended up with A equals 4I plus 3J meters per second squared, and then I solved for the magnitude and got 5 meters per second squared, and then I solved for the angle too, and then I got the angle equals 36.9 degrees. For part B, I did the same thing, and so I used F equals ma again, and I know the force and the mass, so I solved for the acceleration, and I got 5.5I plus 2.6J meters per second squared, and then I solved for the magnitude and got 6.08 meters per second squared, and then I got that the angle is 25.3 degrees.